Join me as I dive into the European automotive industry and see if I can pinpoint why it's taking the lead globally. Hi, I'm Leslie Walker. Welcome to Q's Fleet News, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. The European automotive industry is one of the most significant contributors to the continent's economy, employing millions of people and generating massive revenue. Over the years, it has been at the forefront of innovation, producing some of the world's most iconic and coveted car brands. But what sets it apart from the rest, and why is it taking the lead globally? In recent years, the industry has witnessed a surge in growth, with many European countries investing heavily in research and development, particularly in the areas of electric and autonomous vehicles. This focus on innovation has enabled European manufacturers to stay ahead of the curve, producing cars that are not only stylish and performance-driven, but also environmentally friendly. The European automotive industry's commitment to sustainability is also evident in its efforts to reduce carbon emissions and meet stringent environmental regulations. By investing in green technologies and sustainable manufacturing practices, European manufacturers are not only reducing their environmental footprint, but also appealing to the growing number of eco-conscious consumers. Moreover, the industry's strong network of suppliers, researchers, and manufacturers has created a collaborative environment that fosters the exchange of ideas and accelerates innovation. This ecosystem has enabled European companies to respond quickly to changing market trends and consumer preferences, staying ahead of the competition. The automotive industry is facing unprecedented challenges, from shifting consumer preferences to intense competition from new players in the electric vehicle market. One of the biggest hurdles is the need to transition to more sustainable and environmentally friendly production practices, while also meeting increasingly stringent emissions regulations. Another major challenge is the rise of electric vehicles, which are forcing traditional manufacturers to rethink their business models and invest heavily in new technologies. This shift towards electrification is not only changing the way cars are designed and built, but also transforming the way they are sold and marketed. Furthermore, consumers are becoming increasingly discerning, demanding vehicles that are not only stylish and performance-driven, but also connected, autonomous, and environmentally sustainable. This requires manufacturers to invest in advanced technologies, such as artificial intelligence, 5G connectivity, and the Internet of Things. In addition, the industry is facing intense competition from new players, such as Tesla, which is disrupting traditional business models and forcing established manufacturers to rethink their strategies. The rise of mobility-as-a-service platforms is also changing the way people move around, reducing car ownership and creating new opportunities for manufacturers. The industry is also grappling with the challenges of Brexit, which has created uncertainty and disrupted supply chains. Manufacturers are having to navigate complex tariffs and trade agreements, while also dealing with the fallout from the COVID-19 pandemic. Despite these challenges, European manufacturers are pushing the boundaries of innovation, investing in cutting-edge technologies, and collaborating with startups and research institutions to develop new solutions. Companies like Volkswagen, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz are leading the charge, investing billions in electric vehicle production and autonomous driving technologies. They are also partnering with tech companies to develop advanced software and connectivity solutions. Moreover, European startups are merging as major players in the industry, developing innovative mobility solutions and disrupting traditional business models. Companies like Arrival and Rimac are pushing the boundaries of electric vehicle design and performance, while others like Waymo and Intel are developing autonomous driving technologies. The European automotive industry is also leveraging its strong research and development infrastructure to develop new technologies and materials. From advanced battery systems to sustainable manufacturing practices, the industry is driving innovation and reducing its environmental footprint. One major breakthrough that exemplifies the European automotive industry's leadership is the recent launch of Volkswagen's ID.3 electric vehicle. This car is not only a game changer in terms of its sustainable design and impressive performance, but also a testament to the industry's ability to innovate and adapt to changing market trends. The ID.3 is a symbol of the industry's commitment to electrification, with Volkswagen investing heavily in electric vehicle production and aiming to become carbon neutral by 2050. This commitment to sustainability is not only good for the environment, but also a major selling point for consumers. The European automotive industry's ability to innovate and adapt to changing market trends is a major reason why it's taking the lead globally. From electric vehicles to autonomous driving, European manufacturers are driving the agenda and setting new standards for the industry. The industry's commitment to sustainability, innovation, and collaboration is key to its success. And it's an exciting time for European manufacturers as they continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. Join the conversation and share your thoughts. Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Q's Fleet News, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. I'm Leslie Walker. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.